Welcome to part 3 of the advanced video tutorial for the Egcobox software. We shall take our dimensioning of the corner balcony from part 2 of the video as the basis. In the previous video, we reduced the weight of the balcony in the corner area with an insulation insert. Next, we'd like to add a rainwater downpipe and modify the connection length of the Egcobox. For this, we switch to the Geometry tab. To simplify inputting of the downpipe data, we use the cube to rotate our balcony to the plan view. With a click of the cube surface marked Top, we achieve the desired result quickly. Now we want to add the rainwater downpipe at node 4. For this, we select the command Circular Cavity. To draw the recess, we use the middle mouse wheel to zoom into the area of node 4. The round recess is defined via the center point. Accordingly, we move 2 grid steps from the node 4 in the X and Y direction, which is 20 centimeters, and widen our recess by 1 grid step. A recess appears in the detailed description on the right of the screen accordingly. Using the cube, we go back to the overall view of the balcony. In the area of the rainfall downpipe, we'd like to prepare our Egcobox connection to avoid on-site cutting and bending of the reinforcement. We can do this through the tab Connections Supports. The predefined Egcobox is indicated here. With the command Select Connection Support, we can select the Egcobox connection area at the downpipe. After the Egcobox is selected, the tab's Properties and Boundary Conditions appear on the right in the detailed description. To change the connection length, we switch to the Boundary Conditions tab. There is the possibility here to change the connection from continuous to in sections. The present connection length is 4 meters. Now we shorten this in the To field to 3.62 meters. In the floor plan, the connection is modified to reflect the input data. Alternatively, an Egcobox connection length can also be defined by setting nodes. We wish to do this on the other side of the rainwater downpipe. For this, firstly we switch back to the Geometry tab. Select the command Add Node and place it about 50 centimeters from node 4. However, we want to shift the new node 5 to the recess. We can do this with the command Shift Node or using the detailed description. In this case, we decide on the detailed description and put node 5 in field X at 3.9 meters. Then we change back to the Connection Supports tab to select the command Add Egcobox and click on the balcony edge between nodes 5 and 6 to add the Egcobox. Now the newly set up Egcobox position 3 appears in the detailed description. In general, the newly set up Egcobox contains the settings of the most recently added Egcobox unit. In our case, this means that the new Egcobox also has the property XL for the insulation joint thickness 120 mm, and the insulation is rock wool. In the field Define Connection Geometry, we again find the concrete cover of 45 mm and the connection height of 220 mm. Now we shall complete the dimensioning. For this, as already known, we change to the Calculate tab and select the command Calculate Position. We can see in the detailed view that all Egcobox connections are evaluated as OK. Then we finally check our dead weight again in the tab Loads. Before introducing the rainwater downpipe, we had a characteristic dead weight of 5.3 kN per meter squared and a total balcony slab weight of 128 kN. Due to the recess, the total weight was reduced to 127.8 kN. In the next video, part 4, we add columns and upstands to customize the balcony further. Please continue to watch.